Dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is me, Qari Faisal Shafiq, an awarded Quran reciter from Join Online Quran Institute. Hope you are doing well today. In the previous lectures, we started Noon, Sakin, and Tanween rules, and I gave you in the first lecture an intro in Tajweed rule lecture number 5, and in the next lecture, lecture number 6, I told you about the first rule of Nun Sakin and Tanween, which was Izhar rule. And now in today's lecture, lecture number 7, we are going to discuss the second type of Nun Sakin and Tanween, which is Idgham rule. Okay, what is idgham means? First, we can discuss the definition of idgham. So, idgham means to mix or merge. It means we have to merge noon sakin or tanween into idgham letters, and idgham letters also called yarmaloon letters. Okay, so how many idgham or yarmaloon letters? First, we need to know Yermaloon or idgham letters. So there are 6 idgham letters which are Ya, Ra, Mim, Lam, Waw, Noon, and it is called Yermaloon. Okay, so firstly you have to remember just what's idgham means. So idgham means to merge or mix. That's it. And now second thing you have to remember how many idgham or yarmaloon letters. Okay, you can name these letters yarmaloon letters or idgham letters. So now we are going to discuss the rule of nun sakin and tanween. So now we know what's idgham means. So idgham means to merge or mix, and we also know there are 6 idgham letters. And now what to do with these letters? Okay, what is the rule of idgham? So idgham rule is when the letter after noon sakin and tanween is idgham letters. That's mean when after noon sakin or tanween there comes yarmaloon letter or idgham letter, we will merge this tanween or this noon sakin into Yarmaloon letter. Okay, you can see here. Here is noon sakin coming, and after noon sakin there is ya, which is from idgham letters. And you can see here it is tanween because double kasra sign is coming here. And after tanween there is lam, which is also from throat letter. So what we will do here? We will mix this tanween into lam, and here is also we will mix this noon with this ya. Okay, so now you got it. What's the purpose of idgham rule? So you can just mix or merge noon sakin and tanween into yarmaloon letters. Okay, now two other things you have to remember. In 4 idgham letters, ya, noon, meme, and waw, we will stretch the nasal sound. In 2 letters, lam and ra, we will read without nasal sound. That's mean when there comes these 4 letters after noon sakin and tanween, you will stretch the nasal sound. Here you can see after noon sakin, here is ya, which is from these 4 letters, and you will stretch the nasal sound here in noon sakin like I, like that. But when after noon sakin or tanween there comes any letter from these 2 letters, so you will read without stretching the nasal sound like fi dhulumatillah, like that without nasal sound. Okay, so we can just revise once what we learned today. What is idgham rule? Idgham means to merge or mix. And how many idgham letters are? There are 6 idgham letters. And when these letters comes after Noon Sakin and Tanween, we will merge this Tanween or Noon Sakin into these 6 Yarmalun letters. And in these 4 letters, we will read with nasal sound. And in these 2 letters, when Noon Sakin and Tanween followed by these 2 letters, we will read without nasal sound. Okay, so that was Idgham rule. Inshallah, in the next lecture, we will discuss next rule, which is Iqlab rule. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.